Good evening. In today's session, we'll be discussing regarding golden rice. What is golden rice? We'll have a discussion, and we'll also discuss regarding one of the sections in IT Act, Information Technology Act. And this act is again there in the news because very recently India has banned some of the mobile apps from some other nations and mostly from China. So we already discussed this. But in this particular class we'll be focusing on what exactly is the section of that particular act under which the government of India has been authorized to ban or abolish such mobile apps. All these things we'll try to understand, and let me open the document and we'll continue our discussion now. Look at this. Look at this. The first question on the screen today. Panna Tiger Reserve is located in. Must be aware of this. Everybody knows about this, right? And very recently also we have discussed regarding Tiger State, that is Madhya Pradesh. So Panna Tiger Reserve is located in. Obviously the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Kindly remember this. Right. Look at this. The Panna Tiger Reserve is situated in the Vindhya mountain range in the northern part of Madhya Pradesh. And very recently we have discussed that Madhya Pradesh is a tiger state because it has the highest number of tigers in the country. Right? We'll be going ahead now. Look at this. So this is the question. Have a look at this. Recently, the government of India has blocked 43. Earlier also, many apps were blocked by the government. Recently, the government of India has blocked 43 new mobile apps by using which section of IT Act? Kindly remember, like this, the questions will be asked in the examination. If you remember, only number of mobile apps that have been banned recently, so that may not be serving our purpose, right? That is the reason why you need to get into the depth of the topics. Fine. So they are all banned under IT Act, Information Technology Act. We know this act is existing. Now the point is that under which section of IT Act the government has blocked this. Very important one. Section 58, section 89, section 66B or section 69A. And the answer is option D, that is section 69A. Kindly remember this. Okay. Some important points here. Let me explain you. Recently, the government of India has blocked 43 new mobile apps, mostly Chinese in the country, including shopping websites like AliExpress. This is in addition to a total 177 Chinese apps banned till now. Look at this. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology banned these mobile apps under section 69A of IT Act of 2000. Meaning this IT Act, Information Technology Act, came into force in the year 2000. It has got many sections, and one of the sections is 69A. Under section 69A, these mobile apps have been blocked or banned by the government of India. Look at this. Section 69A of IT Act of 2000 was introduced by an amendment to the Act in the year 2008. Meaning, section 69 was added in the year 2008. IT Act came into the picture in the year 2000. But in the year 2008, this act was amended and section 69 has been added. It gives the central government the power to block public access to any information online, whether on websites or mobile apps. Very, 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 very important. So most possible and probable question in any forthcoming examination. We'll be moving ahead. Another very important one. Headquarters of International Press Institute IPI is located in. IPI is located in Paris, Vienna, Washington, Moscow. Answer is Vienna. Vienna is the capital city of Austria. Right? Kindly remember this. What does it do? International Press Institute is a global organization dedicated to the promotion and protection of press freedom and improvement of journalism practices. Please remember, since the beginning we mentioned about the freedom of the press, not just in India, but throughout the world. So many sanctions, restrictions are imposed on press, but press wants lots of freedom to be given. And for the protection of the rights of the press and the journalism, this institution takes certain measures, and this is dedicated to the promotion and protection of the press freedom. Very, very, very important one. Another very important one. Which of the following will be the first country to approve golden rice planting? After a minute, I'll tell you what is the meaning of golden rice. I'm going to show you. Which of the following will be the first country to approve golden rice planting? Bangladesh, Japan, Saudi Arabia, or India? And the answer is option A, Bangladesh. Very, very, very important one. Look at this. This is intended to produce a fortified food to be grown and consumed in areas with a shortage of dietary vitamin A, right? Where there is a shortage of vitamin A. So vitamin A deficiency is killing, every year it is killing more than 6,70,000 children under the age of 5, and it is causing an additional 5 lakh cases of irreversible childhood blindness. Right? And that problem will be solved by this golden rice. Very, very, very important. And this is going to be introduced very soon in Bangladesh. And Bangladesh is to be the first country to approve golden rice planting in the country. Very, 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 very important one. That's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.